It's Kirk from Weber Chiropractic. Hey, the month of May, we've been discussing diets and weight loss here on our videos. And so far, we've talked about metabolisms. We've talked about the Atkins diet. We've talked about the paleo and keto diets. And we've talked about that interrelationship as to how they work by altering the food substances, which would be similar to a wood on a campfire. But today, I want to talk to you more about the Mediterranean diet. And I want to talk to you about my own personal experience with basically the Mediterranean diet and my journey as to how I lost about 107 pounds in about 14 months. So if you have not seen those videos that we've put on before, those are great background. Please, in the description below, there'll be a link to our new YouTube channel. Be sure and click on that and subscribe to that channel, but look for those videos because they'll be a great background for what we're going to talk about today. But the Mediterranean diet is based on the exact opposite of what we've been seeing in these heavier protein-based diets like Atkins or paleo. What we're talking about here is moving to more of a high carbohydrate diet, and the protein is actually used almost as kind of a side dish in comparison. The Mediterranean diet also has us focusing on green leafy vegetables and some of what we call cruciform vegetables. That would be things like cabbage, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, cauliflower. Those are some of the healthiest vegetables on the planet. The idea behind the Mediterranean diet is you're going to be eating more carbohydrates, less protein. As we remember from our other videos, there's a specific metabolism involved with digesting each of these foods. And the carbohydrate diet gives us very high energy and a very quick burning fuel. So the idea here is that we can eat a lot more and a lot more often. You are going to be full as you take the Mediterranean diet. The other good news on this is that you will also require less exercise because it requires less oxygen to burn a fast burning fuel as opposed to a heavy protein fuel. Folks, this has been part one in a two-part series on the Mediterranean diet and my personal experience with it. Be sure and tune in next week where we see how I lost over 100 pounds in 14 months. Hey, thanks for watching.